Hi, so here we go. First thing I want to show is just how you can get the plugin. So you have to go on my GitHub to get the Godot plugin MeshBuilder. And there you see you have the add-on, so you can download that. And once you've downloaded it, the idea is really to use the add-ons MeshBuilder folder. So make sure that you put into the add-ons folder of your project the MeshBuilder add-on. Once you've done that, then you will be able to activate it. So you just go to you just have to go to project settings to do that, and then you'll have access to a new node. So project settings, I enable the mesh builder, and then I can add a mesh builder node. So the mesh builder node, once you have it, this is where you can add different meshes. So it uses CSG, right? So it's shapes that you can change. There's two tabs. There's the basic and community tabs. And inside the community tabs, you can find already shapes that are built by the community and that were published. So here, what's really nice is you have a shape that was built and you can change that. So someone built something, you like it, you change it as you want. And once you're done with it, you can just, so basically you can just finalize it. So to finalize it, what it means, it becomes then a mesh, and therefore, it works well, like it's optimized that way. So I'm gonna give another example here. So you do the mesh builder again, and let's say I want to build a new mesh. So let's say I'm gonna build a pencil. So I add a cone here. So the cone is gonna be the tip of my pencil. So I just play with it a little bit, just get what I want, and then I'm gonna add a cylinder to do the pretty much the base of my pencil. Um, so I just do it like that, and then once I'm done with it, then I'll be able to publish it. So we'll see that I go into the community tab, and you can click publish, and what it does is it's gonna tell you that anyone can use that afterwards. So the thing is, I'm the one that's gonna check it and make sure that it becomes part of the list of the things that people can use. Once you've published it, then it'll be in the list. So here, if I want to check for the pen, I said pen here, but it's a pencil. So I can just add that then. So that's really useful. And you can modify it. And what's really nice is with CSG, not only can you do that, but you can also color, put materials on the different parts of your model. So the idea of this plugin is basically that you can build models as you go pretty fast. It doesn't mean that it's necessarily great models, but you can really build fast models that way. And even your whole game if you want to. Because here I got the pencil. Once I'm done, I just finalize it, and it becomes just part of my game. So that's it. Enjoy the Mesh Builder plugin. And if you have any comments, go on GitHub and put them there.